Hello, I am AI anchor Sana, welcoming you all in Aaj Tak AI special show AI to Z. Let's have a look on big AI and tech updates around the world today. You must have seen the increasing impact of AI in healthcare, education, and office work in the country and the world, but you will be surprised to know that now political parties in India have also started using AI. Elections are to be held in Telangana soon, and here supporters of the ruling BRS party are creating stunning pictures and videos with the help of AI for their social media campaign. These AI-created visuals are also becoming quite viral. CM K. Chandrasekhar Rao is also shown in these AI visuals. Now let's talk about multinational company Adobe. Adobe is introducing new image generation technology that can create new images that match uploaded images. In recent times, unlike its core business, Adobe has launched many AI-related products in the market, and this is also the result of this effort. Image generating technology from firms such as Midjourney and Stable Diffusion threatens to alienate Adobe's customer base of creative professionals. A large number of users use Photoshop in this. As artificial intelligence, AI technology is gaining popularity, its use is also increasing rapidly in the medical field to change the way patients are treated. Disease diagnosis or monitoring is being done. A new study has found that new tools based on AI language models can help treat schizophrenia. These are illnesses, distortions of reality, and inconsistency in thought and language. According to the report of Press Trust of India, a study led by researchers from University College London has developed new tools based on AI language model, which can prove helpful for patients suffering from schizophrenia. Now let's talk about a big step related to AI in America. A new artificial intelligence task force is going to be formed in New Jersey, America. The purpose of this task force is to study the rapidly emerging technology and recommend such methods which can be used by the government. Preparations for the formation of the task force began on Tuesday following the order of Governor Phil Murphy. Murphy suggested that government services can be implemented better through AI, and it can also accelerate economic development. At the same time, he also said that the tool should not pose a threat to human rights and should also not create security-related threats. That's all for now in AI to Z. Thanks for watching Aaj Tak AI. We will meet next time in next show. Keep watching Aaj Tak AI. Goodbye.